thermostat in there.
Did he?
2020, I think, so it's about 5 years old. Thanks for coming.
No problem.
Yeah, if you have to go into the garage, you're going to be shocked.
What'd you do? Clean it out?
Yeah, I had a dumpster here over the weekend.
Oh, wow.
It was a 10-foot dumpster, and I packed it full.
Right. Okay.
Let me turn on some lights. Hush. Can you see?
Yeah.
Let me move the plant. Sorry.
It's behind the bushes.
Well, I don't like looking at it. So.
Oh, I thought you said it was blank.
He wrote on there when he put it on. You need more light? I don't think I have.
I thought you said it was blank.
No. I never said blank.
So what's it doing or not doing?
What does it say the temperature is? 68. I have it set at 72.
Okay. That's odd, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, well, doesn't have anything to do with the thermostat, I guess.
All right. You take it down.
Okay.
Cricket's down here, but you're not scared of her. So. She don't do nothing bad. She's too old. Like I said,
that's your other dog's name, Cricket.
Cricket. Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Let's see.
Yeah, I did some cleaning.
Yeah, this looks great. Oh, I like those lockers. That's cool.
I bought that for a friend of mine and painted them red.
All right, let's see. This is one old furnace, y'all.
I'm not ready to upgrade yet.
I smell electrical. Oh, that's that motor. I smell that motor. Where's the power for this thing? That's the... Yeah. Whew. That thing is hot.
How much does it cost to replace that?
I don't know. I'd have to call.
Okay.
I'd have to track it down first. What brand is this? Oh, it's an Amana. All right. So, yeah.
Cricket, get in here. Get up there. Sit. You don't listen. Go on. Go see her. Go on. Oh, yeah, your sister's barking. Go see. Go on. Go on up there and see what she's barking at.
Is she just barking because you left her up there?
She's barking because she's in her crate. And Cricket, get out of there. And Cricket's barking because she's barking.
Yeah.
Like in the middle of the night, all of a sudden one of them will hear something. And I'll be dead asleep. And next thing you know, they're like racing to the door. Like crazy bark, you know.
Yeah.
Did it just come on?
Did what just come on?
The lights blinked. I was like, that.
No, I don't. I saw that too. Hi, puppy.
Come here, Cricket.
What you doing?
Come on.
Some kind of weird little flange here. Well, I don't want to make any promises because this thing is so old. I'll have to make sure I can get the part and everything else.
Yeah,
So
that'll take.
I don't know. Like I said, I don't want to make any promises. So in turn, I can't really make any guesses either.
Yeah. All right, Cricket, come on, leave him alone.
Alright. Yeah, I'd say that is a little dead. It's crazy. Took a whole chunk of it. And nice chunks inside there too. Let's call and see if I can get this. All right, I've got the new one here. And let's get this one unwired. Let's see. Got chunks of plastic coming out of there. Let's see. Man, I accidentally left those channel locks here, and I was missing them. Those are some old channel locks. I like them because they're thin this way. So that kind of helps, believe it or not. Let's see. Get this ground screw first. I can check out where the heck. Oh wow, dead battery. All right, let me go get another battery. Okay. Nice. I don't know how this hooks up. Looks like it just wires all up in here. Let's see. Look at that. Crazy. The wire goes through the furnace, through this little power box. It's so weird. That's one way of doing it, I guess. Alright, where? Okay, it gets the neutrals from everything else. Where's the power wire? Is this purple one? Just odd. Okay. Sounds great, doesn't it? The old one had this tar stuff on here. Ooh. Alright, I did that. There's some chunks inside here. Inside the pipe. Make sure it's clear. Okay. And yeah, so the new one, let's see, has this stuff with it. Came with some screws, a plug, all kind of goodies. Instructions, because you know we always read those. And let's see. It doesn't even say where to put the cut a piece of schedule 40, blah, blah, blah. Doesn't even say where to put this tape here, but I'm just gonna put it around here. Oops. Okay, that's the screw that actually went in the thing. And then these are my mounting screws. I'll go ahead and mount it first. Of course, this isn't going to fit with that stupid. Yeah, doesn't even fit with this stuff on there. How does it work? Beautiful. Put this little guy on there. Go to your home. Put this guy on there. And you go to your home. Well, let me switch this around. It's easier to grab. Bubbles. All right. And now this gets okay. And then to push this foam out of the way to get them in there. What? That can't be right. Huh. That's weird. Uh-huh. See, they have some sort of special clips in this picture. Speed nut that is not in here. Is it on here? Ah, there's the speed nut. Good old speed nut. What the heck, man? So weird. All right. Ah. Now I can try it. Turn the switch on. And push this button. Find something to push it in with. Oh, that's a beautiful sound. All right, this pressure switch closes at -145, and supposed to close at -145. I've got my little manometer here. I've got 155, and it is not closing. So I got an adjustable one, and I will hook it up and adjust it. Alright, so adjusting it till the beep stops, and then I'll back up. Okay. All right, it's adjusted. Okay, I have it adjusted, and now I'm going to see if everything works. Satisfied with that. I'm gonna try it again. Try it again. Alright, looks like it's working.